Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am back with another Accenture job update video, and in today's video we are going to cover an amazing opportunity for freshers in Accenture's order to cash profile. What is the job role? How you guys can apply for this role? What are the eligibility criteria you guys have to meet in order to apply for this role? Each and everything I am going to cover in this video, so stay put and watch the video till the very end. Before we proceed, I would like to talk about my channel. On this channel, I make videos on job update, intuitives, skill development and MS Excel. So if you guys are interested in any of these topics, consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, great. So let's talk about the job role now. So in the description of this video, I have given you one link. When you will click on that link, this web page will open. On this page, all the required details related to this job is available. You can see the role name is Associate Order to Cash Processing. If you will come down, you will see the job description here. Here they have mentioned the skill required is order to cash processing and specifically for cash application processing. So if you have seen my order to cash interview question and answer video, you will see there are different teams in order to cash as well. So they are hiring for cash application processing. Okay, now your designation will be associate, your job location will be Bengaluru, and your qualification required is any graduation. So if you have completed graduation in any of the streams, you guys can apply for this job role. So that is a very good news here. There are so many teams in order to cash process and cash application team is one of them. Experience that they need is 1 to 3 years. So if you have no experience, I'm sorry to say, but you guys cannot apply for this role. The minimum requirement of experience is 1 year and the maximum requirement is 3 years. So if you have more than 3 years or less than 1 year experience, you guys cannot apply for this role. Now, if you drag a little, you will see they have given information about Accenture. So if you don't know about Accenture, you can read it through. That will help you a lot. Okay, now let's talk about what would you do in this role. So the cash application processing team focus on solving queries related to cash application and coordination with the customers. The role requires a good understanding of cash application, the process of applying unapplied cash, reconciliation of suspense account in cash application, and process them from payment receipt to finalization. So this is one of the very critical role in order to cash processing, and the growth prospect of this role in future is very well. Now let's talk about what are the skills they are looking for in an ideal candidate. So the first thing they are looking for is ability to establish strong client relationship, ability to handle disputes, and ability to manage multiple stakeholders. So if you guys have all these skill set and you mention them on your CV, chances of your CV shortlisting will get higher. Okay, so they have given you roles and responsibility as well. I will suggest read it at least twice because they will ask the question based on these requirements only. So it is very important that you are familiar with the roles and responsibility in this particular role. One more important thing, in this role, you might have to work in rotational shift, and this role will be a blend of work from home and work from office. If you guys are not comfortable in working in rotational shift, please do not apply for this role. Okay, great. Now let's talk about how you guys can apply for this role. So as I mentioned earlier, in the description of this video, I have given you one link. When you will click on that link, this web page will open. What you have to do, just click here on the apply now. This new web page will open. Here, if you have already registered with Accenture portal, you can just simply put your email ID, your password, sign in and apply for this job role. Just in case, if you are visiting the Accenture portal for the very first time, what you have to do, drag down. Here you can see they have mentioned start application. You have to click on this. This new web page will open. Here what you have to do, put your email ID here, verify it, come down, put your name, last name, your country and create your account. Once you have created your account, you just have to apply for this role. If you want to prepare for your interview, do check out my order to cash playlist. I have made multiple videos for your interview preparation. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.